I've lived in this house my whole life. An old house up on a hill with a forest behind it. My whole life I've heard noise after noise after noise, never knowing where they're coming from. Today I'm gonna find out. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, hon. How'd you sleep? Pretty good. I packed your lunch. And don't forget, I won't be home until about 10 p.m. because I was the only one who could work late Halloween. Got it. Thanks, Mom. Love you. Love you too. Be careful. Today is October 31st. Today I'm going to solve this mystery and save the neighborhood.
You totally didn't mess up on my basketball practice.
Yeah, I'll be there at 6.
Home at last. That test was so hard. Time to get to work. Uh-oh, it better not be trick-or-treaters. I haven't turned the lights off yet. Hey, are you ready? Henry, what are you doing here? You said you'd go trick-or-treating with me. Oh, I can't. What? Why not? I've got to solve a mystery. That sounds awesome! Please let me come. Sorry, too late. You ready? Ready. Look over there! I don't think we're alone.
Nope.